How to scan your snap code. Hello everyone, my name is Ismail, here to guide you through the way to know how you can scan your snap code. So to know how you can do it, just follow the following steps. First of all, make sure to install and update the latest version of Snapchat on your phone so that you won't miss out any feature. After that, normally open your Snapchat. On the top left side, you will see your profile. When you tap on it, you can see that there is a QR code sign available. When you tap on this, you can see this is your Snapchat code. So you can simply save it to your camera roll, you can share it as well, and you can also tap on share your profile link. But how do you scan it? The way to scan it is to go on the search bar of your Snapchat. After you go on the search bar of your Snapchat, you can simply just tap for the Snapchat as well. After you type the username, you can simply add them in person. But to just scan someone's Snapchat code, then you can simply go on Google and then you can see this option right here. By using this option, you can paste the photo that you have saved on your camera roll while somebody send their Snapchat code to you, and then by that you can see the username. Or if you have Snapchat logged into your Google, then you can also directly go to their Snapchat, and that's how you can simply add a friend in your Snapchat account. I hope this helps you. If it helped you, then please do thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this.